Now, 4-1 shot Phenomenal Power smashed a 43-year track record in an impressive gate-to-wire run to land their fifth running of the Clovis Metcalfe Trophy, an overnight allowance contest for 3-year-old and up going 7.5 furlongs at Caymanas Park on Saturday. Denise Walters has our racing review.
Despite changing barns once again, Phenomenal Power registered back-to-back wins following a 4-month layoff. Running without the tongue tie, the 3-year-old Dark Bay colt barely had any challenge in making every poster winning one under a ride from two-time champion jockey Radish Roman as the importee kept going away from the rest of the field.
Making mild progress, Fearless sold toward the back of the field and Provident is last. They've left the 5/16th. They're coming into the lane. Phenomenal Power attempts to go all the way with Radish Roman now becoming busy, being chased by Diesel Train, who is 4 or 5 lengths left back. But it is Phenomenal Power. Radish Roman all over Phenomenal Power, and the response is immediate. Phenomenal Power powers away from them inside the final furlong. Diesel Train is chugging along in second, but a gap behind. They're inside the final 16th. This is the 5th running of the Clovis Metcalfe CD-OD. Phenomenal Power wins by double digits over Diesel Train. Then Royal Poppy, interesting times ahead. Gervano is 5th.
Conditioned by Adrian Prince, Phenomenal Power with splits of 23-3, 45-4, 1 minute 10-1, won in a final time of 1 minute 29 flat by an impressive 11 1/4 lengths. That 1 minute 29 flat erased the 1 minute 29-2 track record set by the Michael Lou conditioned Skytrain with Errol Miller aboard in 1983.
Well, I'm feeling great, very elated. Nice horse in the making, Phenomenal Power. Got this horse from Mr. Fiani with a lot of ability and credential. So I just keep him on the edge that I get him on. And this afternoon, he delivered really well. Was surprising, he run track record, but expect much things going forward. So I just hope he keeps sound and we can have many more success.
This horse is a very versatile horse, and I know it will be a pretty easy race today. As I told the trainer, I think he will break the record today, and that's what he did. But races like that sometimes you can't win every day, but you just have to continue to work hard and put in the hard work. So they get the good moment, they can put them away.
Jockeys Devin Foster and Tyrese Anderson both rode a double, while trainer Orel Hayden saddled 2 winners. Racing continues on Sunday with the running of the Jamaica St. Leger, the second leg of the Jamaica Triple Crown Series. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.